We're quite excited to present you with these. Now, let's see more films of the robot performing a variety of additional tasks. Yes, we wanted to showcase a little bit more of our work over the previous several months, which included the bot simply moving around and performing on stage. Despite their modest beginnings, you can see that the autopilot neural networks are operating on the new platform, where they have just been retrained for the bot. My watering can is that. Indeed, what you see when you see a rendered view is what the robot sees, and as such, it can recognize objects quite clearly. For example, here is the object it should pick up. To gather information and train our networks, which we subsequently install on the robot, we use the same procedure that we did with the autopilot. That serves as a slightly more detailed depiction of the upper body. Imagine a world in which robots coexist peacefully with humans, completely changing the way we communicate and work. Leading this revolution, Optimus has the potential to completely reshape the way factories operate. However, what really does Optimus offer? Come along as we have a conversation with specialists on Tesla bots who will clarify the complex duties that Optimus is ready to handle. We'll explore the enormous possibilities of this humanoid powerhouse, from simple manipulations to intricate operations. With its impact on production lines worldwide and Tesla's gigafactories, Optimus is sure to have a lasting impression on the manufacturing industry. However, the adventure is far from over. We are getting closer to a time where robots and humans collaborate to build an infinitely creative future with every day that goes by. So fasten your seatbelt and remember to press the like and subscribe buttons. Let's get this video started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Recently, Elon Musk revealed some great news. The Tesla bot, Optimus, is already functioning in lab settings and completing basic tasks. But what does that actually mean? Let's dissect it. Consider Optimus to be a flexible helper that is being trained to work with a variety of items, such as shirts, and is being tested with jobs like loading components into robotic welding cells. These tasks may appear simple, but they need precision, which has historically proven difficult for robots. Aerospace engineer Scott Walter has graciously contributed movies that demonstrate comparable jobs being completed in actual factories, which helps us better grasp what Optimus may accomplish. Now, why is it so difficult to automate processes like loading and unloading components? It all boils down to the requirement for exact manipulation. Consider this: while picking up a garment from a pile may seem easy for humans, it's like trying to pick up a single sand grain for a robot without disturbing the others. Although Optimus is now receiving assistance from humans, the intention is for humanoid bots such as Optimus to someday take over these responsibilities completely. It's possible that Optimus will set foot on real factory floors by year's end, beginning with lower manufacturing lines and working its way up. Beyond effectiveness, though, there's still another important factor: safety. Consider jobs that require handling sensitive or dangerous goods, those that might endanger human workers. Humanoid bots, such as Optimus, excel in this situation because they can perform these jobs accurately and without endangering human operators. The ultimate goal is to rethink the fundamentals of manufacturing and rework factory procedures to reduce the need for human intervention. Let's examine the factories of Tesla and BMW in more detail. Even though humans are still heavily involved, robots are becoming more and more capable of helping with menial chores like picking and placing objects. This suggests a future in which industrial robots and collaborative robots, or cobots, operate in perfect harmony to create an efficient dance. Do you recall AI Day 2022? That's where the idea of basic factory jobs initially took off. In the present day, the Fremont factory is in the midst of training and deploying robots such as Optimus. Optimus has been through a thorough testing process over the past 2 years. Inspired by fully autonomous vehicles, Optimus is picking up precise object recognition and manipulation skills. What's the point? Including unloading and building parts pallets, all with an eye toward efficiency. Optimus is unique because of its design. It is ideal for jobs with constrained production schedules because of its well-designed torso mobility, which reduces the amount of foot movement. The game-changing aspect is that these humanoid bots aren't stationary. They provide unparalleled flexibility in the automation industry and can be deployed as needed. What is the motivation behind these developments? It all comes down to dependability, quickness, and, most importantly, energy economy. Engineers are putting in endless hours to optimize the control systems so that these robots operate energy efficiently and flawlessly. Elon Musk has underscored the significance of effective inference computing in the field of robotics. Consider it the mental capacity required for jobs such as autonomous driving, because every watt of energy is vital. And what really makes Tesla stand out in the robotics industry is their consistent focus on this effective computing. Since attaining optimal performance in robotics involves more than just the present moment, let's confront it. The goal is to create systems that can maintain that caliber of performance over an extended period of time without using up precious energy resources. Let's now focus on energy efficiency, which is a crucial component of humanoid robot design. This is a topic that is sometimes disregarded, but is really important, especially when you take into account the 500 watts of energy that these robots are using. To put that into perspective, consider how much more energy-hungry common equipment, like hair dryers, are. Here, efficiency is not merely a polite word. It is crucial to guarantee that these robots can work an entire 8-hour shift without running out of battery life too soon. And Tesla is the ideal person to spearhead the movement toward energy-efficient design. Their dedication to optimizing the efficiency of their vehicles is evident in their humanoid bot project as well. From the inference chips to all other components, their singular concentration is on reducing power usage. However, the Tesla adventure is far from over. It's even more fascinating because every day brings new and intriguing discoveries with ups and downs. Tesla continues to draw investors into its rabbit hole for this reason. But who else is as optimistic about Tesla as you are? That would be Seeking Alpha, our sponsor for today. It's not enough to merely watch Tesla's phenomenal rise from the sidelines. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for the most recent information on Tesla, Tesla stock price targets, Tesla innovation, and everything Elon Musk related for fans of the company and those who have an eye for finding the next big stock market find. The finest online source for pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha, so avoid the lamestream media's anti-Tesla propaganda. Our channel might receive a commission if you click on the affiliate links in the description and make a purchase. I appreciate your help. But what makes Tesla more competitive in this field? It's their proficiency with AI computers and battery technologies. They are positioned to develop humanoid bots that are safer and lighter for human interaction, while also having longer operational durations by utilizing their experience in these areas. It all comes down to integration. The smooth blending of cutting-edge inference chips, potent AI computation, and efficient batteries. Together, these bots reduce their environmental impact while optimizing performance. This is where Tesla's all-encompassing strategy comes evident. They're building a whole ecosystem rather than only assembling parts, using their knowledge of data centers, artificial intelligence, and batteries to transform the manufacturing of humanoid robots. Let's now investigate how Tesla is utilizing current technologies for their ambitious Optimus project. This is a very clever and effective tactic. Instead of creating new parts, Tesla is repurposing parts from their well-known lineup of electric automobiles, such as inverters and battery management systems. They can combine these current technologies in creative ways to fit Optimus's wide range of applications by utilizing them. However, it doesn't end there. Tesla has really impressive processing power, especially with their full self-driving FSD technology. To accommodate large-scale initiatives like Optimus, they are strengthening their infrastructure and increasing their compute resources. Not to be overlooked is testing. Tesla is using high-fidelity simulators to thoroughly test its technology and make sure that every part of Optimus' performance is optimized, rather than just releasing the vehicle into the wild and crossing its fingers. The intriguing part, though, is the conjecture that Tesla's 4680 battery cells may find their way into the Optimus project. With their improved energy density and performance, these state-of-the-art cells may open up new avenues for humanoid robotics. Let's now investigate the fascinating idea of using robots in manufacturing environments to enhance rather than replace human workers. We've already seen a notable degree of automation in jobs like sorting and quality control, which is evidence of how effective current robotics are. So what role do these new robots play in the scheme of things? The topic of discussion turns to the much-awaited arrival of Tesla bots at factories by year's end, along with preparations for potential external sales. The time frame moves quickly, generating curiosity about the possible implications for mass production in the years to come. However, there's a note of cautious optimism mixed in with the enthusiasm. There will surely be difficulties in the creation and implementation of these robots in the upcoming months. However, increased productivity and efficiency seem certain to arrive. With the ability to produce tens of thousands of bots quickly, Tesla is well positioned to meet demand. However, it's not only about volume, it's also about guaranteeing each customer's happiness and optimizing productivity while using these state-of-the-art bots. Imagine this: 5,000 people working side by side with 5,000 robots in a busy factory. It's a nice balance of human and mechanical force, but it also emphasizes how important careful planning and resource management are. We face several different problems at our gigafactories as we work to increase production, such as minimizing cycle time and optimizing equipment efficacy. Our unwavering quest of efficiency serves as the foundation for every choice we make. But in the midst of these difficulties, there is also a chance to completely transform the manufacturing sector and usher in a new era in which robots like Optimus fit in perfectly with our factories, enhancing our productivity and advancing us toward unheard of levels of creativity. To put it simply, Tesla's adherence to lean manufacturing techniques and the smooth integration of robots like Optimus are examples of our steadfast commitment to influencing the direction of transportation. What do you think about the potential for robots like Optimus to completely transform manufacturing processes? How do you think automation and robotics will affect how we live our daily lives in the future? Most importantly, what subjects do you want us to look into next? Please feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your thoughts. In order to stay up to date with all the most recent advancements in Tesla stock news, be sure to press the like and subscribe buttons if you found this exploration to be as fascinating as we did. I appreciate you viewing and see you later.